Good morning, dear students. How are you? Oh, that's great. I'm fine. Thank you for asking. Okay. Welcome, Maria, Juan, Pablo, Justin, and Carla to your English class. Today, you are going to learn a very useful topic to improve your English skill. But first of all, I would like to tell you, every accomplishment starts with the decision to try it. So try it, okay? Well, let's start with our class. Okay, well, before starting the English class, I would like that you have fun, okay? Go. I would like that you tell this tongue twister. Okay, I'm going to start, okay? Betty bought a bit of butter, but she found the butter bitter. So Betty bought a bit of butter to make the bitter butter better. Okay, well, Maria, try it. Okay, perfect. Juan. Very nice. Pablo. Okay, perfect. Justine. Very good. Carla. Okay, well done, guys. Very good. Okay. Well, the topic for this class is parts of an essay. The objective for this class, by the end of this class, you will be able to identify the parts of an essay by by reading the main details in order to put paragraphs in the correct order. Okay, well, very good. Okay, well, I'm going to explain you. I would like to start asking you, what do you think when you look this picture? Look to this picture. Tell me. Okay, very good. Well, we have here, and it's a burger. Okay. Well, we have here 3 parts. We have one paragraph, the paragraph 1, and it said introduction. It is the top bun, the top breath. But the next we have paragraph 2, paragraph 3, and paragraph 4. Example 1, example 2, and example 3. And we have here the paragraph 5 is conclusion. Okay, that is the bottom breath. Okay, the bottom band. Well, it's similar to the paragraph. Do you remember it? Yes? Okay, well, tell me, why is said writing is important for you? Maria? Okay, very good. Juan? Okay. Carla? Okay, very good. Pablo and Justin, tell me. Okay, well done. Okay, well, wow, we have heard the reason. Okay, please, Juan, read this paragraph, this information. Very good. Nice. Very nice. Writing is a skill not only used in essays. If you look further in education, you will note that there are a lot of other writing assignments waiting for you, like research papers, term papers, coursework, homework, dissertation, thesis papers, and any more. But what else? Justine. Very good. What does mean? Very good. All these writing assignments require excellent writing skills. To complete them successfully, and this skill can only be achieved by writing essays in and practicing. Okay, as we can see, writing is a very important skill, but it's important that we can write correctly. Okay, well, okay, as we looked before, as we see before, we have here a hamburger, but I want that you can see beyond that hamburger. Hmm? Okay, well, we have here, okay. We have the introduction, okay? If I have here the introduction, in this case, it is the top breath of the hamburger. We have here an introduction is, what do you think is, Justin? Okay, well, you read. Introductions provide the reader with context for the essay. It states the broad argument that the essay will make and informs the reader of the writer's general perspective and approach to the question. Okay, the introduction is an important paragraph because we inform the reader what they say is about. Okay, about what we have here, body paragraphs. We have here paragraph 2, paragraph 3, and paragraph 4. In this case, they are in summary 3 paragraphs. But what does paragraph mean in that hamburger? Justine, not read. Tell me, what do you think? Okay, very good. Body paragraphs are the meat of the essay and lay out the argument stated in the introduction point by point with supporting evidence, with supporting example, with supporting details, okay? That guarantee the your ideas, okay, to support the introduction, okay, the topic, your purpose, okay. We have the conclusion. What does conclusion mean? Juan. Okay, very good. The conclusion usually will restate the central argument while providing a summary of the essay, main supporting reasons, and before linking everything back to the original question. The original question, what do you think is? Very good. It's that we are going to talk in the set, okay? Well, it's important when we do an essay, when we read an essay, it's important that you can analyze, that you can it's important we be reflexive with this essay. For example, the essay has to have a purpose, okay? What is the purpose that I'm going to talk in this essay? What is the audience? Who's the reader? For whom? It could be at a context, familiar context, a business context, and what else? Education. Okay, we have to take into account our audience in order that we can use academic vocabulary and simple vocabulary and etc. Okay, clarity. Okay, our ideas have to be clear, the most clear. But when the reader read the essay, can understand. Okay, unity. That means all the ideas, they have to join. Okay, they have to link between them. Okay, coherence, it's very important. When we are talking about a topic, about a question, we have to finish talking about that. We cannot leave out the topic or idea. If I'm going to talk about the reasons, for example, the reason for that I like to play soccer, I should not finish talk about basketball, for example. Okay, the essay has to have purpose, audience, clarity, unity, and coherence. Okay, well, in the parts of an essay we have here, you know that we have introduction, body, and conclusion. Okay, do you remember what is the function of introduction, Carla? Very good. And Justin, what is the body? Don't read. Okay, very good. Pablo, conclusion. Very good. Okay, Juan, please read the square of introduction. Very good, the main idea. Well, in the introduction, we have a hunk and a thesis statement. What is the hunk? Please tell me, Juan. Read it, please. Okay, very good. We have here. It is a sentence or sentences that catch the reader's attention at the beginning of an essay. A home could be questions, codes, description, facts, etc. The thesis statement. What does thesis statement mean? Please, Maria, read. Very good. What do you can understand? Excellent. It is the key sentence in an essay. It is our purpose, okay, that we are going to discuss in that essay, okay? Well, we have a body. What, the body, what is the function of the body? What do we have in the body? They said. Please, read, Maria. Very good. Organize the main ideas. Give supporting information. But how? Carla, tell me. Well done. The body paragraphs give examples, give evidence. Very good. The body paragraphs, they have to have topic sentences, supporting details, and concluding. We can recognize the body paragraphs through transitional sentences or transitional words, for example. In addition, when we are adding something, moreover, besides, when we have to contrast. On the other hand, nevertheless, however, when we have a sequence, first, second, three, and so on. But when we are going to give an example, we use, for example, for instance, okay? And we have another in the same way, by which, and etc. Okay, it's important that you can analyze when you read a paragraph, when you read an essay, we have to take into account these details, okay? And we have the conclusion. Justin, tell me, what is the conclusion in an essay? Don't read. Very good. It signals the end of the writing, of the essay. We have here a concluding paragraph, restatement of thesis and points of development in the essay. But when we want to finish, or when we want to end our essay, we have to take into account some key words. For example, to conclude, to sum up, in conclusion, and summary, and it shows to the reader that the essay is running out, is finished, okay? And when we write a conclusion, we must give suggestions, opinions, or predictions about the topic, okay? Well, do you have any question? Okay, very good. I would like that you ask you what do you understand? Tell me. Okay, very good. We have some transitional words. Juan, tell me some examples about transitional words. Very good. Okay, Maria, tell me words to show at the end of the part of the essay. Very good. Okay, and what this is a statement. What does this is a statement do in the part in the essay? Okay, very good. Well, okay, we have here an example of an essay, of an well-structured essay. Well, we have here, the topic is how to travel so successful. So, okay, we have here in the brain, in the blue brains, we have here the introduction. In this part, we have here a code, okay, a code, because here says, James Baldwin said it best. I meet a lot of people in Europe. I even encountered myself. Okay, it is a code. We can recognize because the introduction can use code, questions, fact, description. Okay, remember that. In the introduction, we have here, what do we have, Pablo? Very good, the hung and thesis statement. And the body, how we can recognize the body, the supporting paragraphs. Tell me, Carla. Very good, because we have here transitional word. And tell me one, Maria. Very good, we have here first, also. Juan, what else? Very good, okay. Well, in the last paragraph, we have the conclusion in the green breakers. We have here, Justin, how we can recognize that the last paragraph is a conclusion. Very good, because we have here some questions that in this case, predictions. Okay, very good. Okay, okay, very good. We have questions. Well, do you have any question? Is everything clear? Okay, very good. Well, now it's time that we're going to work, okay, together. Well, I'm going to review you and you are going to do this task, okay? Well, we have here an essay. We have different paragraphs and each paragraph represents the part of an essay, okay? You have to put in order, okay, in the correct order. You can work in Word in order that you can organize or you can write, okay? Well, what do you do? What do you have to do in this activity? Tell me, Carla. Okay, very good. Okay, do you have any question? Not? Okay, well, you have for this activity 4 minutes, okay? When we When you finish, you have to let me know that you can share your screen in order to verify your task, okay? Okay, let's start. If you have any question, please let me know. Okay. Okay. Well, who finished it? Okay, very good. Juan, please share your screen. Okay, we have here. Mhm. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, What transitional words did you help you to identify or to organize this essay? Very nice. First, second. Okay. And in the introduction, how you can recognize. Very good. And the conclusion. What word, what transition, what word do you did you find to identify the conclusion? Okay, very good. Nice work. Very nice. Okay, good job. Congratulations. Okay, I can see that you understand. Well, okay, my dear students, now it's time that we work with another task. Okay, we have hearing independent practice. In this part of the class, you are going to work on a worksheet, okay? In this worksheet, you have to label the parts of an essay on the worksheet, okay? When you finish it, you have to share your screen in order that I verified your understanding and your task, okay? I'm going to send the link in the chat. Let me share. Okay, the link is in the chat. Okay, no, 1 minute, please. 1 minute, please. One minute. Okay, that's right. Okay, yes, copy the link, please, and start working. You have 3 minutes, okay, to finish it. Okay? Do you finish it? Carla? Can you share the screen? Okay. Okay, well, very good. We have 8 out of 10. Very good. We have here introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and a conclusion. Okay. We have here the thesis statement and the horn. Well, okay, Carla. Justin, how do you recognize the honk? Okay, very good. Okay, Carla. How do you recognize the honk? Very good. Okay, we have here the thesis statement is the purpose of the essay. That means that the thesis statement, we put in the last sentence in the introduction, okay? In contrast, the honk is the first sentence, okay? The honk is at the beginning of the introduction of the essay, okay? We have here, a honk is like snowflakes, no two fingerprints are the same, okay? And the thesis statement is the science of fingerprint is important because it helps police identify criminals and help to keep people's valuables safe, okay? Well, don't worry about that. You are learning and I'm here to help you to learn and understand. Okay, well, my dear students, now we're going to continue with our class. Column, do you understand? Yes, very good. Okay, someone else have problems? Not? Okay, very nice. I'll continue. Okay, now it's time that you the assessment. Okay, in this part of the class, you are going to work on a worksheet. It's an order, okay? And you have to put in order the paragraphs, okay, using the numbers, okay? It's very easy. And I would like to recommend you that you have to read, be careful, okay, when you read it. You have to identify the main details, okay, in order that you can organize, in order that you can put the paragraphs in order, in correct order, okay? Do you have any questions? No? Okay. What do you have to do, Juan? Very good, very nice. I'm going to share the link in the chat, okay? Let me see. For this activity, you have, oh, I'm sorry. For this activity, you have 4 minutes, okay? And the time start right now. Copy the link and start working. When you finish, please let me know in order that you can share the screen. Okay, do you finish? Yes, very good. Okay. Okay. Justin, please share your screen. Okay, very good. Congratulations. Okay, we have here 4, 2, 5, and 1. Okay, in the first paragraph, in the introduction, we have here a code as sound. And this is a statement we have here. Most adult men and women need to know how to successfully live alone at some point in their life. Okay, very good. In the next, well, okay, in the second paragraph we have here, we present the first problem, give an example. We have here, for instance, on the number 3, we have another problem and we have reasons, okay? Well, very good. And in the 4, we have here another depression can be lead, okay? Okay, very good. And the find, we have here the conclusion, okay? Because it said, with all of these factors taken into consideration, it is important for everyone to ask ourselves, okay? We have here at the future point in your life, it is something that you may not be able to hit front, okay? You have here, okay, we have here an advice, okay, and suggestions. Very good. Okay, very good. Congratulations for your job. And now we are going to finish with our class. The time is okay. Well, I would like to share with you. Congratulations, dear students. Okay, now we're going to watch this video, okay? Pay attention because this video is about summarizing the topic, okay? Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you for watching. Okay, my dear students. Oh, okay. Thank you so much for your attention and congratulations for your job. Okay, don't forget, keep learning English and never give up. Okay, bye-bye.